Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's a quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to set Task Manager theme to dark mode on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to right click on a taskbar. So dito lang sa ating blank space area ng ating computer taskbar ay kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung Task Manager. So i-click mo lang yan. And once na open mo na tong Task Manager, so dito lang sa left side menu at dito lang sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung settings. So kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And next step, so dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung settings. And then kung paano ba natin i-change yung ating Task Manager theme into dark mode. So makikita mo kaagad dito yung app theme. And dito ay may tatlong option na pwede nating i-select like light mode, dark mode, and then yung use system settings. And then select lang natin dito yung dark mode para mag-dark lahat yung ating Task Manager theme. So i-click mo lang yung bilog na yan. And automatic mga kaibigan na na-change na yung ating Task Manager theme into dark mode. Okay, so kung gusto mo naman itong light, so select mo lang yung circle na yan and then magiging light siya. Right, so select yung dark and then automatic magiging dark mode siya. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to set Task Manager theme to dark mode in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.